Hey everybody. I just want to tell you guys real quick about a educational resource that I use a lot that I think would be useful in the classroom. This is called the Citation Machine, citationmachine.net, and it's very useful for citing your own paper and creating just a big collection of citations that you can give to your students as a study guide and such. To start, click on any of these, but I'll do a book and search by title ISBN. I'm going to search 1066 Year of the Conquest. This is a book about the Battle of Hastings. And here it is, found it right here. Haworth, Viking Press, 1981. Cite this, and it'll give you a little ad unless you pay. Continue, and it finds a lot of the stuff, and the advanced info you can put in yourself if it's needed. Sometimes it's not. It does not look like it's needed right now. Complete citation. And here it is, along with a website that I copied earlier from Encyclopedia Britannica. And that is just an example of what you can do. You can build up a big collection of citations right here, as many as you want. It's very useful. And thank you very much.